Hello, store owners. In this presentation, I will guide you through the process of creating a wholesale customer account in WooCommerce. This is essential for testing your store's functionality from a wholesale buyer's perspective. One of the very first things I do after installing WooCommerce Wholesale Prices is create a dedicated test user. Here I am on my WordPress admin dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a wholesale customer account, so you can check your store the way a real wholesale buyer would, not just as an admin. I'll head to Users in the left-hand menu. Here I can see everyone who has an account on my store. I'll click Add User at the top to start creating a new one. On the Add User form, I'll fill in a username. I like to call it something obvious like Wholesale Test, so it's clear what this account is for. I'll add an email, a first name, and a last name. Then, the most important bit. Down in the role dropdown, I'll select Wholesale Customer. That's the custom role the plugin creates. It's what tells my store to show this user wholesale pricing instead of retail. Here's a handy tip. I can stay logged in as admin in my main browser window and open an incognito or private window to log in as my wholesale test user at the same time. Or use two different browsers, Chrome for admin, Safari, or Firefox for the test account. That way, I can make a change in the admin and instantly see how it looks to my wholesale customer without logging in and out over and over. If you're on the premium plan and you've set up multiple wholesale tier levels, I'd recommend creating a separate test user for each one. I just add more users here and assign each one a different wholesale role. Alternatively, I can edit an existing test user's role to switch between tiers. Just remember to close and reopen the incognito window so the session refreshes properly. And that's all there is to it. Creating a wholesale test user takes less than a minute and makes a real difference when you're verifying your pricing setup. I'll link the full documentation below if you want to explore further. Drop any questions in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.